welcome to DIY by Z. I've been wondering if I needed to change this to the 3 inches sanding pad, and I couldn't seem to figure out how to remove this. But then I later figure out by trying to look around this pneumatic air tool, and there's a hole over here. I just realized I'm looking on the instruction manual on how to remove this pad. It doesn't show me anywhere on this instruction manual, so I decided to share it to you guys so that if you have one of these, this is, even the Harbor Freight had this kind of type of pneumatic system. In order to get this one out, you're gonna need one of these zip tie. What I'm gonna do is wrap it around here. This one spins, but this one stays. The I don't know what they call this, but this area here stays. So I'm gonna hold that and then spin it until the hole lines up. So it's really hard to tell, but there's a hole over here that goes through and holds the bearing inside on the center. So I'm gonna keep on doing that until this one drops in. There you go. So this is screw over here. So as you can see, it's right there, and then right here will drop in deeper, and then even deeper. So now it's locked in because I cannot spin this. So right here, as you can see, I move this a little bit more, and then it will drop in, and then it will drop in even deeper. Right there. And then now I cannot move this. It's locked in. So now all I have to do is loosen this one up. Loosening it up counterclockwise, just like this. And that's it. That's how you remove this sanding pad from this pneumatic tool. Thank you for watching DIY by Z. I hope this helps.